Hello, my name is Sampath. I am a chef for the Denmark Embassy, Tokyo, Japan. So today I am going to make a meatball. It's called in Denmark Frikadella, which is the one of the traditional dish from the Denmark. And I'm going to introduce you to the ingredients. Here I have main ingredients: minced beef and minced pork, chopped onion, milk, butter, thyme leaves, fresh thyme leaves. If you don't have fresh, you can use instead the fresh like dry thyme leaves as well, and breadcrumb, flour, and the raw egg. So I am add here minced pork and beef, and the chopped onion, breadcrumb, flour, thyme leaves, and the salt, pepper, and now I am going to mix. They have to mix very well, all become like together like a dough. So now I am going to add the eggs little by little. Always you can check the texture. And the milk. This is not like hamburger, it's totally different texture. Little bit like runny. Now you can keep some time, like around 10-15 minutes in the chiller. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit olive oil, and the butter. Oh. Pan, I'm going to cook it in the oven around 6 minutes, 180 degree, around like 6-7 minutes.
I'm feeling homesick. This is one of the old traditional Danish dishes that you will always get in Danish families. This taste is, Sampat has been working on the recipe here, and now he's on to exactly the traditional way that frikadella should taste in Denmark.
They taste like your mother's frikadella. When we're from Denmark, that means it tastes the same way as our mothers would do it. The Swedes, they make it round, but frikadella from Denmark, they're a bit more oval. And it's actually not that difficult to do, so you should definitely go ahead and try it at home.